Hey guys, I'm going to show you the very basic way of putting on a wig. It's going to take less than 5 minutes and even faster once you get the hang of it. So all you need will be a wig cap, bobby pins, and a brush. I'll be showing you how to put on this beautiful pastel purple wig. It's available on my store for $70. It comes with a free wig net, and this is a brand new wig. This is a 22-inch long wavy wig. All brand new lace front wigs comes with an extension of the lace at the front. It's very simple to trim off the excess lace. All you have to do is follow the given hairline, trim about 0.5 to 1 centimeter away from it, and you're good. Before putting on a wig, you have to put your hair in a wig cap. You have a wig cap that is full, and you have a wig cap that has a hole in both ends. So basically this is like a donut wig cap. By right, you should be wearing a wig cap that is similar to your skin tone, but I'm going to show you how to put on the donut wig cap today, because I swear to God, this is one of the best wig caps that you can do without braiding your hair. It's best to keep your hair as flat as possible to the shape of your head so that your head shape does not look weird after putting on a wig. There are two ways you can do this. You can braid your hair into 2 pigtails and sort of put it up at the back and pin it down, or you can just follow the way that I'm going to be showing you. In the wig, you have 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 on the back, and you will have a strap at the back of the wig. You're supposed to adjust it to how tight you want the wig to be or how comfortable it'll sit on your head. I usually put it in maybe the first or second sort of tightness, because I feel like if you wear lace wigs very often, like almost every day, they are bound to get loose. That's why I don't like to stretch it all the way back, so you can prolong how long you can wear this wig. Try to sort of fit the hairline of the wig to your natural hairline. That's how it's supposed to be worn. I like my wigs when side parting. This is where you take your brush out, because you will need to brush the wig into the parting that you like. You can flip it this side, but I like it this side. There we go. And that's how easy it is to slip on a wig. I know that some of you also have a bit of problem with this dangling piece of sideburn. You can always just pin it down into the wig and keep it down. If you really don't like this piece, no, I'm not gonna ask you to cut it off. I'm gonna ask you to just tuck it in and let your hair drop. Well, of course, I would definitely recommend you to just pin it down. Although, like, people will be wondering, why is there a pin in your hair at the oddest place? But the odds are they won't even see the pin. Most of the times, I would just wear my wigs without any hair glue. It stays really secure anyway. But if you're worried, you can opt to securing it down even more with hair glue. The trick of keeping it down without using hair glue is to use double-sided tape. You can put your double-sided tape on your wig net, and then when you wear down your wig, you just press it down. Make sure it's even more secured. That's how you wear a wig. It's really simple. This is a really gorgeous wig. Oh my gosh. It's actually better than I thought it would be. thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. That was basically the simplest way of how to put on a wig. I hope to come up with more videos where probably I'll show you how to style your wigs or different hairstyles you can do on a lace front wig. And yeah, that's all for this week. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
nananamonn.